Here we go again, we're on the road again. There we are. Back on this spider one. Oh yeah. Oh, it's struggling with a pen. Why? Delete canvas. I go out and work, still nice canvas, yeah. There's space now. I think, I'm just trying to remember because it's been a while since I did, yeah, I think it's slice, yeah. Splice, let's put that as a non-click, I guess. I'll do it. Do a better way to do it. I'm changing the idea for it now. Whereas before it was merely rendering to the canvas, I want to render so it renders. The idea of it being, yeah. Because I've done two there. I'll just do an on click for it. Change the way that one's set out. No. Div. Let's make it look decent at least. Not shit. Div class row. I'll put this here. I'll write the CSS for this afterwards. Two separate forms, I don't want one. Just the same form, one of those two separates. No, stop that. I don't know, I'll do it in divs. But music is playing as music I made, so nice to avoid all the copyright. Me and my mate made this music. It's fuck YouTube sometimes, to be fair. There we go. This is stupid what it is now. I might even install Bootstrap, I might as well. Take 2 seconds. Yeah, I'll do that. That can just makes it easier, so we've got responsiveness covered then. Let's install Bootstrap, baby. Let's use Bootstrap free because I'm all familiar with it. So I'm downloading the bootstraps. I've got this. extract all that out. Click my custom. That's 3JS examples which I might need. Oh yeah, I might as well put the fonts in as well. Why not? Oh, that's it, baby. There we go, nicely bootstrapped. Just need to put a container class. Should stop doing that. No, stop that. Ah, Visual Studio is. Oh, for fuck's sake, why? Let's get in the body. Why would I put it outside the body? Fuck off. So I'm just defining some of the layout stuff now. This is the easy part, really. Why is this off screen? Must have done something wrong there. Well, it's just row, isn't it? Twice. That should be fine. Nothing wrong with that, I don't think. There we go. Why is it off screen like that? That's strange. That's weird. I'll just use bootstraps form down everything. It's just easier, better. So I'm just defining the layout in a minute, and then I'll get onto the interesting bit and hard bit also. I'm just looking at Bootstrap to remember it. I'm going to copy and paste it because it's easier than writing it all out myself. Start with some other example. Let's go for the basic. Whoosh. Just putting divs in there basically. So placeholders just for the just see if that renders alright. Ah, that's better. Except it needs to be not that. I need to add in I forgot it. That's the grid classes again. It's been a while since I've done it. Column MD, put a column LMD6. Probably that. Something like that. Oh, I also want to close it as well instead of doing that. There you go, it's half the size of it. That's what it should be really. It should be less than that even. Probably even put this higher. There you go. It's adding a custom CSS as well, so it's nice to have that. Adding a custom CSS reference. So just going to do the background. Add a background colour, make it just black for now, so see if it shows up. Should do. Nice and easy. There you go. I'm not going to have it black, I'm just putting on there for font. It's just colour in it. Probably want to do yep. That's cool. Just spell all that. You the chosen one. I'll put that there. Instead of password, I want that as perm. Change the label here, and then we want to make that perm instead of password. Example right. It's a placeholder for the form. We'll perm here. So far, so good. I'm going to make that bigger as well. Just for speed, I'm going to add another class, secondary class. It's called perm area or something. Not necessarily the right way to do it, but pixel. Another class on that. There you go. See, you got a lot of bigger area. Just Let's get rid of the placeholder altogether. So, I think some of the text will go there, which is a bit of shit. I think I can change that. Okay, next I need the canvas area, divide a canvas, something like that. An idea, I think, wasn't it? Like that. Yeah, I need to colour it because that's where the that is where the this is where this free JS canvas should be generated here. Let's see what I'm doing. I don't think that'll make a difference to anything. But I might give it a colour just so I know where it is. No, it definitely should be right. I mean, it's on there, so I have to figure. That's the next thing I have to think about properly. But for now, let's just give it another colour so you can see where it is. Now that should. What? That's odd. What if I put it on as a class instead of an ID? No, I'll put it on as an ID. Window body, yeah. Yeah, it's outside of the container. Oh no, it is inside the container, so it's... Oh. Good. Yeah. Well, that is quite odd. That's weird. Still have to pull the same thing. Right. Put 8 or something. It's not clear what I'm doing, and I'm just using the grid system with Bootstrap to force this position to equal. I think that should work now. Yeah, there you go. I just haven't given it like a width or anything because the canvas is going to be. It probably does need a top margin of some sort. Whatever. Just huh? Oh, margin top, wrong way around. Oops. That was a bit of a strawberry error, as it were. Beg my pardon. Put more of my own music on so I can get away with copyrights. So I put a few mixes on. I did or something. Well, what I'm up to now is I'm just laying stuff out basically, and then trying to think what the app song is going to do. So it's going to be you add a poem or words. Doesn't mean the idea is that it's a poem, but it could be anything. Then it will put it out as 3D text. That's basically what the idea remains. A bit of acid on that I'm wad. Okay, so now I just need to get the 3JS rendering here, because for some reason it doesn't let me append in that element. I'm not sure why. It's quite odd. Because it's there and it finds it, but you see it. Once the camera's there, let's just have a look at some of the layout work. Layout in terms of what's going on here. Container. Oh well. Oh, don't tell me. Please do not tell me this because of that. I'll go mental. I'll scream. Still the same error. Okay. Just gonna pull that bit. That's the same word, isn't it? Container and containers. It's the same, so it should be fine. I don't get why that would be a problem. Same error. I'm just going to Google this. No. 3JS. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, that's a better error. It's just because of where I placed that. It's always some shit like that. I know that's true, it is not set. Surely that's that then. Oh, is that there? Yeah, well fuck. That's unusual. Oh no, it's alright. That's quite right. Let's just do. Let's do 100. 100. So I'll set it to the usefulness instead for now. See what happens. Cube. Was cube not defined? I must have missed some code off when I was. What is that? What line's on? At least I've got it working now anyway, it's good. 24. Oh, it's just got cube geometry and new cube. There's no actual. Surely that should just be cube. I can't wait, I got this one, this should just be cube. I think. Try that. There's not going to be a cube anyway, but. Alright. Stupid thing. I don't know why I've done that wrong. Let's just look at the 3JS library. I don't want it to be cube anyway. Let's just forget all that. Close geometry, yeah. Let's just see if we can get it. Forget all that shit. That's all fine. That's fine. No idea if this will work. Let's have a look. Oh. I'll look back at the example again. Not that, it's an error. Oh, I think I need to download that font. I think for this text charge to work, it needs a specific font. Let's go to fonts. And then go to one of these. Do something like see if this works. So I'm not sure if it will. I'm not exactly sure if you need to load in a specific font or if you can use WebSafe fonts. What's that? Oh, that's the canvas, right? Well, 100 anyway. It's too small. Bigger. It's a stupid size, isn't it? Let's just tack it on the flies. I think this will work, I think. Maybe not. There you go. Got the canvas created. Just need to put it in misspot geometry, no doubt. I don't know why I want a bit of font. Do this font thing again. No. Ah, there's some more to this. Doing it the wrong way. Let's try that. Yeah, basically, I hadn't actually created a mesh. Because I'm still not sure. I just don't understand how it. I guess I should have read the tutorials a bit closer, but essentially, what's happening here is that loading a variable called geometry, adding a new instance of text geometry. There's all the settings for parameters, and then creating a text material, adding them, and then creating a mesh. This is actually going to be geometry, not text geo. Nope. Let's try that. See if that works now. Okay. Why is it still saying geometry is not defined when it clearly fucking is? What the fuck's this then? No, that's wrong. Oh, what was I on about? I should be a dick and copy someone's code off online. So basically, I just wanted to see if it works first. Like a cheating asshole. Okay, that's good. No error. Like, it doesn't like that though. Doesn't like the HTTP request. So what I might do, that might be because of it's running locally as far as I can tell. So what I want to do is upload it to my local server. My cloud hosting, not my local server, my cloud hosting, and see if it works on there. And if it does, then that's good. If it doesn't, that's annoying. I've only got one unavailable. I'm just looking at my FTP now, which you are not going to see because for obvious reasons. Let's get a new folder called. This is not even the right website, but I'm just going to do it quickly. A test. It's not really the website I want to be on, but it's not really a big deal if I put it here. It'll be a few meg at most. So I'm basically going to, because I've come across this before, and it's just ended up being that it doesn't like it running locally for some reason. I think that's all I want to do is FTP this across, which I'm not going to show on the screen, obviously. And then go to the directory, which is, I've done this on my art site. There we go. And see if the same bug comes up. If so, no it doesn't, but it's not rendering anything, so that's not very good. Oh no, there we go. Yeah, I can't find it, so it's a problem anyway. I don't know where that is. It's not very clear. I don't have that. Am I supposed to create a JSON file with that in? What? Just looking at someone's fiddle at the minute. This is blah, blah, blah. Someone's fiddle. It's just too hard to do this. Okay, so there's some kind of CDN I can use. So I'll try that because I cannot be asked of it breaking. And that's all that's breaking, I think, at the minute. I mean, I don't even get where that. Well, I'm supposed to just know that JSON. I mean, obviously. Oh, yeah. I'm just doing hacky code now, but I'm trying to get it working first. So, just hacking some code together here, not in the best of ways. Just want to see if it works in this instance. I look like I might have done something then. Are we breaking? Oh no, I need to. It's local. Can't find it. Font loader 3JS. I don't even get what's going on here, to be honest. It's trying to load some JSON for some reason. I've never really worked with fonts and JSON and JavaScript before. I just no idea. I'm probably missing something really obvious, but I have no idea. Not even related. Text. The same fucking demo I've gone on a million times. JSON fonts here. So pissing me off. I don't know anything about JSON and fonts and why it has to be font. I mean, yeah. Where the fuck does that come from? Okay, there must be something in here that I can just nick. I'll just do that. There we go, fonts. Yeah, whatever the fuck this one is. I'll download it. Just gonna copy this. What the fuck? Alright, so I've got a JSON file here with, I'll just create a folder for fonts, which I've already got actually, to be fair. I'm including this. This is probably a retarded way to do this actually. I shall download. There we go. La 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 la. Okay. Got glyph icons. What the fuck is this called? Okay. First up, I'll do this bit. Now I should find it once I copied all this code. This stuff, that's not code, it's JSON. La 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 la. Copy that, and there we go. Shabba shabba. Now I'll try it. Nice. That whatever for that is bold top face. And then I go back onto this. Da, 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 da. I should find that. .json. And then if it doesn't find that, I don't know what the fuck's going on. To be honest, I've no fucking idea. And if that works, you're hunky dory. Same thing again there. So let's upload it. First, check my Telegram. There we go. Au revoir. Oh, right, well that's shit. It's complaining about some shit again. Over fucking right, everything, yes. Let's have a go. Are you going to do something? No. Font not found. Even though I literally just put it in there. And literally copied it across. Oh, fuck you. Fuck you. What's that? Okay. Dish. .json. That's what it fucking is. Could it be this? Shouldn't be that. I don't know, it probably is. Something as retarded as that. La 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 la. If you're wondering what I was doing when that noise was being made, I was just doing an FTP transfer. Okay, blah blah blah. X is not defined. That's the new RS. That's good actually. That's actually good. So now that's loading. This is good. This is the next coordinate. Wouldn't it just know that? I'm confused by that. That would just be a problem. Should I know that those are coordinates? I probably need to set them up here. So blah 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 blah. I guess. Or I'll just do something random like 20. So the canvas size is 600, I think. So if I go 300, 300, 300, so I think I should set it bang in the middle. I think. All doing well. No, that's the. Oh shit, I might need that. But let's just see if this works first. Oh yeah, until we upload it again. Override source newer, apply to current queue. It's like writing 2 files instead of however many. Okay. So no errors. Okay, but I need to move that across as well. Let's just have a look in browser as I'm here. And then put. Now obviously, if you're watching this looks like absolute nonsense. And you'd probably be right in some sort of, I don't know. But I've just got to do it this way. I'm just basically trying to set and test if any text is coming through. Nothing seems to be coming through. There's a canvas, but it's not erroring, so I think it's. What the fuck? What the fuck is this? The fuck? Oh, it's just that accidentally flicked on that. Fuck's sake. Okay, what I want to do first now is go left 500 pixels. This position set to absolute, so it should automatically shift that one. Yeah. Now I'm going to re-upload it onto this. Blah blah blah. I'm just going to. No, yeah, that's in the right place. That's good. Let's double check on here. Yeah. What? Did I or did I just not? Hey. So that's obviously wrong, but let's add that on here as well. So I think something like renderer. Let's just see if there's a background colour or something. Okay. Background. Okay, moving on. Why have I got this on here twice? I don't know. I'll just trust and need that for now. But that might be causing some issues. Okay. Just look up what to add a different background colour. I'm not sure what colour this is coming up as. It's probably black itself. So, and then put, yeah, I need something like colour. It needs to be white, not any other colour, because it is possible that it's loading, but it's not rendering the colour. Please work. Overwrite stops new, blah blah. Yeah. Please work. Just do something. No. Maybe we need to put a hex value instead. It probably doesn't like white, so I'll have to do. What? Oh, okay, it seems to like that, but not there. Okay, fair enough. Try again. No errors. No fucking text. In fact, it just seems to be creating a white line, actually. So I guess that's the CSS background property, so I guess if I switch that off. I don't know if that's causing issues. Nope. Yeah, see, that's just. So I don't actually need that on there, so get rid of that. and this just makes it extremely confusing. Let's get rid of it. Okay. So if you're tuning in, I've got the canvas to render now. Blah, blah, blah. I'm just doing a 3D crunch generator exercise. Okay, I just need to get this. So it's got to give this. I'm just gonna look this up on 3ds because I'm not sure what exactly this canvas background color. Oh yeah. Okay. Color. Renderer. Color. I'm just gonna call it. Let's put it as that for now. To see if it works first. I'm gonna put some music on in a bit. Let's just turn it off because I've been in the zone, I guess. But I need music to get me in the zone. Blah 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 blah. Okay. That's red. Yeah, no text is showing. So it's still not working. I have a canvas. I have no words. It sucks. So that's the sort of. Where was Mixcloud open? There we go. Okay. Mixcloud's just decided to break completely. Yeah, YouTube copyright police. If you're watching this, this is also completely all my own mixes and music. So, suck one. This is a mix that contains other people's music. Blah blah blah. All right. Let's do the old hello world. Should be color. So position set, have a look at that. Could be that. Not really looked into that much before. Let's try this to something different. So 40, 40, 40. Don't know what. So it represents the local position of the object. Upload. Nope, still not uploading anything. The canvas is loading. Nothing's being loaded onto the canvas. No. I've added the scene, yeah. Going through everything methodically. That won't make a difference, surely. Will it? If anything, I'll probably make it worse. Possible I've fucked that out somewhere. Nope, it's in there. That's fine. That might be red. nothing around. Let's try it in cube. Try adding just a simple cube just to see if it's working. Fog. Oh wow. I bet this is dead hard to load. I'm just having a look at some demos. Yeah, we have this sort of thing, but I've made quite a nice bit of progress for doing it this different method. Just looking at a few demos, I can see if I can load these in the background or something. Awesome. That's not what I'm after. I'm just after something like that. Yeah. Random. No, that'd be extensive. Nothing interactive, just pure geometry, probably. That's quite nice. Minecraft world. Teapot. Effects would be good. Just effect. I want to see what the options are for this. I want to make it really quite cool. Like have a. I might incorporate something like. I don't really need the. No, it's just going to be too. Multiple cubes. Whoa, that's awesome, look at that. I worked with this demo before, so I know how it works as well. More or less. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Oh yeah. Ah right, so you can just do a for loop for that. See, I know what that does, so I should be right just to add that in like that. Now if this works, I'll be pretty fucking happy. I'm just adding a for, so it basically creates cubes and then you create a for loop to create 2,000 of them. Maybe put that down a bit. It'll be interesting to see if this works. I don't think it will straight away, but it'll be nice if it does. And if it does, that'll be a nice one to stop this video on. And then I can, I mean, it's like a secondary thing to get working, but it'll be cool if it works. Oh, there we go, sweet. Just added the boxes. They're stationary. There's no animation for them, but that's pretty cool. Well, they should actually animate. It should be animated somehow. It's on an animation loop. No, not actually. Pressed animation frame. Glad it's the scene, isn't it? Yeah. That's pretty cool. It's just loaded that in. I mean, that's goes to show that this text buffer thing has been quite annoying. Like how easy that was compared to how annoying this has been. Let's just make the scene background black instead of this bullshit. Let's make that black or white even. That's a randomly distributed. Oh, that's pretty cool in itself. That'd be cool actually. I could create it so that each time, well, because there's a random distribution anyway, you can make it so that each poem has got its own pattern or something. I don't know. It's quite a cool idea. This is quite a random idea, obviously. I'm just kind of messing around. Let's have a look at this. Some of the old. Obviously, it looks like shit at the minute. I changed the black background. I don't like it. Some nice blue, light blue. I'll put a hex value in later. I was just being lazy. Prototyping after all. Blah. Look at that. That'll do. Light sky blue. And I'll call it for a little bit. That's fucking horrible. Pardon my French. Change that to black. Oh, I need to re-upload it again. Well, just the CSS actually. There we go. Maybe randomize the. I need to slip that over. The great Mark Bell, this is in the music. Amazing man. Taken too soon. Alright, so that's that. That's pretty cool. It's not that cool, but it's oh, coolish. I'm going to make that black actually in the background. I keep on changing my mind on this stuff, but let's make it black. It's childish and corny with the white, and also it'd be easier to read the text maybe. I haven't really thought about that bit yet. I don't really know what I'm doing with that really. Try to see if we could get some rendering, so that's good. I'm going to make it not those weird colours as well. Just going to make it white. I'm changing the mesh colours just to white. I don't want it as any other colour. Oops, that's black. Always getting mixed up. There you go. La la la, I mean, I've randomly generated cubes. It's not that cool, but it's pretty cool so far. By the power of grey cube. Make the canvas bigger as well. 800 by 800 or something. I'm just gonna mess around for a bit of the layout and stuff. I'm kind of procrastinating in some senses, but I'm gonna wind it up for now. That's better. That's nicer. It's better like that. Bigger area. I want the camera to rotate around, I think. I have added the camera. Let's look at the other code I was looking at. So what camera do they use on here? This has got controls to the mouse and stuff, but I do not need that. It's good with this one because I've used this example before and modified it myself, so I kind of know how it works. Fucking hell. Jesus. Oh. I apologise. I just did a massive. Oh. I just did a massive fart. Oh. Jesus Christ. Anyway. Okay, so we've got a function of rendering, render function. I've added the camera to the scene on this. I'll render a camera. I'll add it below here. See if this works. It'll be a lot better if it's got moving. Doesn't matter how. I don't think that'll work. I don't need casting. I don't think. Probably will do. But I'm just. Try it. What's the worst that can happen? Just kind of iterate everything at the minute. Basically, just trying to get it so that the camera will automatically move in some sense. Oh, I didn't break. That's good. Make sure that's right. I'll press save. Yes, I did. I think I need to add the camera properly. I think. Render as well. Yeah, I need to add a render in there too, I think. I'm not sure if it's already in there, but I need to call that function within the animate cycle. I think. Yeah, within the function animate. La 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 la. Fish. I mean, a lot of this is all new to me, a lot of this. But it's good, just this kind of, what I'm essentially doing is gutting other people's code and making it do something different. Oh shit, I didn't broke. Well, I see that it broke. Oh shit, and then we've got even more. So that'll be because of the, get off. I don't want to get stuck in some kind of memory leak. And because feater's not set, so where's that set in the code? But the very fact that it's running that render function is good. Is actually a good thing. What the fuck? Oh, I've already got it there. This is one of my favourite demos. It's very simple, but it's not simple. Not simple. I mean, it's very cool looking, but it's not over the top complicated to figure out how that works. This doesn't seem to be liking the fact that I've got a feature on there. Haven't I got it there? Didn't I include that? No, I didn't. No, I did. So it's there then. So what? That's strange. What feet are there? What update? What was it moaning about again? Let's see what the console erroring out. Feature is not defined, feature is not defined, feature is not defined. Find all references to feature. It's defined at the top there as 0. Now that might be relevant, I'm not sure, but well, that must be why it's complaining. And that's. And then I think I'll definitely finish off that for the night. Oh, sweet. Bundle of sweetness. It's working. Oh, yeah. Still my victory dance. I mean, I've got a completely random part of it to work, but I mean, I don't know what it's going to be now, but I'm getting somewhere with rendering 3JS anyway. I'll make it a bit wider maybe. That's still, the annoying thing is though, that's still not working still. The text doesn't render at all. Try that. I don't think it'll work, but I'll try it anyway. It's just as stupid as that as to why it's not working. You never know, it might be full victory. No. It's not full victory at all. That's still pretty cool though. We can make some pretty cool games with that probably. So how's it going to work? for next episode. We need to get working next episode. Get the name. We need this something to be done with the data that's inputted here. So if I find a poem like poem Dylan Thomas, do not go gentle into the door. Do not. So if I put in like if you like, I put that poem in and then I'd submit it, and then it would output somehow on here. That was the idea. And I'm probably going to reduce some of the transparency on these cubes, make it a bit more different, and also I need to make this a bit wider, I think. That's actually a lot more successful than with React. It's a lot easier to do things, less arsing around. No, not what. I do the wrong way around. And I know it looks wank. I'm going to improve the looks. There we go, that's better. I know it looks like shit. I haven't styled any of it. I've just been concentrating on getting this stuff up there. That's pretty cool. I know it's essentially kind of a pointless exercise in some respects what I'm doing in a minute, but I'm learning, alright? Anyway, that's enough for that.